Let's begin by looking at an easy and essential test in biology, the iodine test used to identify starch. Starch is a carbohydrate commonly found in plant-based foods such as potatoes, rice, and apples. But how can we tell if a particular food contains starch? That's exactly what this test helps us determine. Let's go through the steps together. We start by preparing our food sample. If we're using something like a potato or an apple, we need to crush or mash it. This process breaks open the plant cells and allows the iodine to come into contact with any starch that may be present. To set a reference, we also prepare a starch suspension. This is done by mixing a small amount of starch powder with warm water in a test tube and stirring it until it forms a smooth solution. This will serve as our positive control, showing us what a starch-positive result should look like. Now for the actual test. Add 3 to 4 drops of iodine solution, which is brown in color, to the sample or starch suspension. Then, observe the reaction carefully. If the iodine stays brown, it means no starch is present in the sample. However, if the color changes to a blue-black, that's a positive result. It confirms the presence of starch. This color change occurs because the iodine reacts with starch to form a blue-black complex, which is easily visible. To sum up, the iodine test is a fast and effective way to check for starch in food. It's a great demonstration of how basic chemistry techniques can help us explore and understand the nutrients in the things we eat.